nail tools we'll be using today. Remember not to pull off the gel polish directly with your hands, as it may thin out your natural nails. First, take a coarse grit nail file and make it less sharp by rubbing it against another file. File the surface of your nails. See how it changes from shiny to matte? Be careful not to overfile and damage your natural nails. Next, file the edges of your nails. Take care not to file on your cuticles, as staying in one spot for too long can cause a burning sensation. Please file gently, like this, to avoid hurting. Then we apply soak-off solution to the gel polish for 5 to 10 minutes, and waiting for the gels to soften up, which can make them easier to remove. Use a triangle peeler scraper or arc-shaped pusher to help remove any loosened gel polish. Be careful while doing this. Next, take a medium grit nail file to carefully remove any remaining gel polish on the edges of your nails. Remember only to file the gel polish and not the cuticles. Finally, use a nail buffer to make the surface smoother. See, even without a nail drill, you can still remove gel polish with nail files and other nail tools. See you next time.